Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to be creating a spread in my journal. My journal is the beautiful Fleur classic size happy planner. I'm gonna pull up the first week of May. So it is May 1st through the 7th. And I wanted to do kind of a witchy spread. I know that normally I do lots of flowers and stuff like that, but I found these really gorgeous witches and I printed them and cut them with my Cricut, and I wanted to go ahead and use that. So I'm gonna be using those, and then black boxes from Mojo Jojo, some of these gray. Actually, let me see if I have a different gray. Yeah. I might be using these to decorate. Let's see. You guys, look at this. This is gorgeous, right? So with the star flags in there, and then a light gray so I can write on top of it. So I might be kind of playing with this a little bit. So bear with me. I'm going to take this super light gray, and then this, and so on. So here we go. Just gonna move some stuff. Put this back. Okay, ready? So first and foremost, boxes. I'm gonna play with layering some of these. As you can see, this book is very much loved, and I'm gonna be playing with it even more. So yeah, let's add a box right here. I'm gonna add another box to the weekend, and I'm gonna play with layering some other boxes with it, and then adding witches. So be little by little. By the way, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys will enjoy my spreads with me. I love creating these with you guys, as you know already. I hope you enjoy being here. So I'm gonna, like I said, play with a little bit of layers and building this kind of fun looking thing. So the first witch, actually smaller witch maybe, like this, can be added. Right here. Look, that looks awesome. I'm gonna add some more elements to this, and we'll go from there. Okay, so there's that. And then maybe I can add this colored one right here, overlapping with the boxes. What do you guys think? These are like kind of mean looking ones, but I do like it. I like it a lot. I think it'll be fun to write in. Let me see if I can correct this box a little. To play the overlap game. Yep, I think that looks good. So I'm gonna add some of this gray. As you guys can see, I'm kind of doing this one side at a time. I'm not sure why, but this time around, this is what I am doing. So I'm gonna add a gray splotch right here. I'm gonna add another one of those inks right there. Let me see if I can find my tweezers for a more precise location of this. I'm gonna add some to the dates, I think, too. So let's do that first. So I'm gonna add these like right here. These are light enough for all of these numbers to be visible. So if you have some overlay tapes like this, these are from a narrative Hues. If you are purchasing some, use my code KASIA, KASI810 for 10% off. So KASIA10 for 10% off. This looks awesome. Okay. Let's add sparkle. Kind of cool. I didn't think I'm going to be using this, but you guys, look at this. Haha, these are beautiful. I'm gonna add these just for fun. You have like hollow dots on them, and they're gorgeous. So I want to play a little bit. No. Maybe right above her to add some sparkle. Okay. So this side, I'm gonna add like a smallish box. Not tiny, but small. Maybe up here above her. I do like journaling in boxes for some reason. It gives me kind of like a ability to compartmentalize all of these things. So I do like writing it in boxes like so. So that side is done. We're gonna move on to this one. I'm gonna grab one of, like maybe two of these small ones. I'm so thankful this book has so many stickers because I am using and abusing them, you guys. Okay. Now we're gonna use these bigger ones. So maybe I can place this like right here. I don't know if I want to build exactly the same thing, but I do want to have a little bit of fun. I think this one's even bigger, so we're going to use that. Maybe like right here. I would like a full box for sure. I don't know why I get stickers from the middle of the book sometimes. I don't know, but this is what I do, you guys. This is just simply what I do. And I'm not exactly sure why. Okay, a couple more things. Let me see. I don't want lined ones for sure. Ooh, that could have been cool. Oh well, too late. I'll get smaller ones and kind of build it up. So let's get one like this and overlap right here, and then kind of play with building blocks right here. So I'm gonna add one up here. And then I'm gonna find a witch that I want to use. Oh, this one is so cool, you guys. Let's use this. So I have 8 different witches. Yeah, I know, that's a lot of witches. Okay, so we're gonna add this beauty right here. kind of want to add this one. I already have this one. Let's add this one. Okay, I'm gonna add that one, and then and then one of these. There we go. I think that's good. So 3 witches. Like super witchy spread. Kind of want to add that one to this side. What do you guys think? Can I do that? Yeah, I'm doing it. Oh well. Oh well. I just did. So too bad, so sad. I have this one. I have this one. I have this one. Oh, this one's kind of cool. I have this one. Maybe let's add this. She's like this weird little hood thing. It's gonna be a pretty cool spread, I think. Once I'm done, it's gonna be very different. It's gonna be dark and spooky, but oh well, right? Okay, so let's add some sparkle. I'm gonna add a sparkle right here. I'm gonna add a sparkle maybe like down here, kind of all over the place. I think it'll be cool. One up here. Okay. I'm gonna add another box right here so then I can kind of play with the title. Okay, and now I need to put this on dates. And then add a few of these. Let's see. I'm gonna cut this. And then cut this and then just remove it. Why isn't this cutting? Okay. Let's see. Okay, that thing is not cutting. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But I'm gonna grab my regular cutting tool and just remove the extra sides up here. Okay, maybe this tape is like not super easy to cut. I have no clue. Okay, I got it. A little bit more. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna tweezer it off. It's like all over my hands. Okay, I'm gonna add one more to here and then, of course, the dates. So how fun is this, huh? So a couple more up here, and then I can finish decorating. And then see if there's anything in my zodiac books that I want to add, or anything like that. Kind of spooky, kind of dark. I like the mystery in this. So let's see. Kind of like where it is right now. I don't know. So I have a couple witches left. We did 6. I have 2 left I haven't used. I have a multitude of boxes to use. Kind of want to add one more sparkle, or maybe even 2. One up here. Kind of pizzazz the sidebar. Or maybe possess the sidebar. Ha ha ha, what a bad pun. That was horrible, you guys. That was so horrible. Do not kill me. Okay, I'm gonna add sparkle to her. What do you guys think? Are we good? Should I add some more? Let's see. Is there any like pieces that... Ooh. Maybe I'm gonna add that moon. Let's see. I don't want to ruin it, but what if I added a small moon? Maybe not. Maybe not. I'll just leave it be. I think it's good. Let me pop it back in. Look at it from up top. See if I'm missing anything. I do need room to write, you guys. I do write in these things, believe it or not. So, I think we're all done. I'm gonna leave it be. If I need to add anything, I'll add it afterwards. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's kind of different and spooky, but I think I'm gonna do something like this today and go from there. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching this and listening to me work out my brain as I'm placing stickers. But I'm so grateful you're here, and let me know what you think. Bye!